I'm Jordan Dorsey, and this is my mom, and we're going to be doing the paper. The first part says the graphs of the functions f of x equals 2x plus 7 and g of x equals x squared minus 1. Intersect in the xy coordinate plane. What are the points of intersection? So, first what we can do, I need the paper.
Coordinate planes. What are the points of intersection? Enter your answers in these boxes. Alright, so do you know what type of problem this is?
It's no, but I know how to find the x inputs. It's a function problem.
Okay.
And in order to get the answers, we need to find the value for x. So we can create.
So if you find a value for x, you'll then be able to figure out what y is.
Yes.
Okay.
So we can start with one table.
Alright, that will hold this down.
In order to find these two, the answers to these two, we have to find the outputs, the input and outputs for these two functions. So first, I'm gonna find four coordinates for this equation.
Okay.
So we're gonna first substitute f of x with f of 1.
Okay.
Equals 2. Then we're gonna still multiply that by 1 because that's 1 is the value of x.
Everybody
and then we're going to plus
that.
7.
Money, be quiet.
Alright,
so you substituting 1 to find the x. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
that's
no,
so good.
No, we're trying to find, we're not trying to find the x, we're trying to find the y.
Yeah,
so, Money.
I want to be in the video too.
No, that's fine. Homework. Go sit down.
Well, I got some in there too.
So x is...
Me!
So x can be 1, 2, 3, and 4 since we're doing 4 coordinates. So I substituted x for 1 to find the output of y. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. And then we can substitute, so then we can do f of 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 7. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 7 is 11. And then we substitute, then we do f of 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 7, which gives us 2 times 3 is 6, plus 7 is 13. And then we do f of 4 equals 2 times 3 plus 7.
Spider!
6 plus 7 is not 13?
I can't hear you. 6 plus 7?
Spider!
Yeah, 6 plus 7 is 13.
Spider! Climbing on Mommy's head from the web.
Money, go watch a movie.
How do you know that was
2 times 4 is 8, plus 7 is 15. And that'll give us that. And these are the inputs and outputs.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now we can do g of x. Make one for this, x and y. And the equation is g of x equals x squared minus 1. Then the x values are going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4 as well. So, g of 1 equals 1 squared minus... Okay, so, and then I did the other side, I did the other equation, which was g of x equals x squared minus 1. And I did those.
Okay, so what's the answer?
So now we have to find the two answers. So it says the graphs of the function f of x equals 2x plus 7 and g of x equals x squared minus 1 intersect in the xy coordinate plane. What are the points of intersection? So we have to find the points where they intersect. And
4:15?
4:15 is where they intersect. So 4:15, 4:15 is where both of these equations intersect. As you can see, on each of the function tables.
Jordan,
Not now, Imani.
I want to tell you something.
Okay. Now, number 2 says a function k whose domain is a set of positive integers. A function k whose domain is a set of positive integers is defined as k of 1 equals 4, and k of n equals k times n minus 1 minus 2. Function k has evaluated for several numbers. Which of the following are true? Select each correct answer. So, in order to find the answers, we have to substitute all of these numbers with n to see if they give us the correct answer. So, like for instance, we can do k of negative 1 equals k times negative 1 minus 1 minus 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that'll be negative minus a negative will give us a positive. Wait, no, it still give us a negative. So that'll be k of negative 1. I believe that's 0. Yeah, I think that equals to 0. Here's your calculator.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm not mistaken.
Negative 1 minus 1.
Where did it go? Oh, I see. Negative 1 minus 1. Yep, negative 2. So then that'll be negative
You got 0.
2
You got 0.
minus 2. Because I didn't finish it yet. Negative 2 minus 2. Oh, it's negative 4. I did that wrong. I forgot. It's still both 2. So the first one is correct. Because we substituted negative 1 for n on that equation. And then we got negative 1 minus 1, which gave us negative 2. And then we had to do negative 2 minus 2, and that gave us negative 4. So we can check the first one. Okay.
K, whose domain is a set of positive integers, is defined as k by 1 equals 4. I don't know. I'm confused.
That is the first term, is what they're saying.
Okay.
That's just the first term. But right here we have to substitute all of these
For that.
for n.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
So then we can try. So now we have to do k of 3 equals k multiplied by 3 minus 1 minus negative 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So then this is correct because it says k of 3 is 0 and k of 3 is 0 because the answer is 0 for k of 3. Now we have to do k of 6. K of 6 equals k times 6 minus 1 minus 2. And that would give us 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that would be correct as well.
All right.
And that is the end of it all.
Cool beans.